One time for the underdog. One time for the underdog. You got the world on you.
Hey guys, welcome to the FX 220 YouTube channel. This is Oussama, expert Forex trader, and basically what I do is I predict the future for a living, and I am highly accurate. So in this quick and short video, we're gonna discuss the analysis behind this trade that I took on pound JPY. It was a beautiful trade, like a perfect trade that every trader look for. So let's start off. First off, we should know whether this downtrend or an uptrend. So I had my market cycle analysis here. That was the last wave, which is, as you can see, this is the 5th point. So after that, I'm expecting a reversal, like an ABCD pattern or another market cycle of 3 waves, 3 impulsive waves. So in this case, market fell down strong, as you can see. So it's clearly a downtrend. I took trades here. I took this short. It's on the channel. You can watch the video of this trade. So that was the first wave. Market did pull back, as you can see here. That was the Bank of England interest rate decision. I traded this. I traded this also, but on the pound USD, not on the pound JPY. So after market fell down again, and so now we have an EMA's crossover, and now I'm expecting another wave to the downside. So I woke up around this time. As you can see, the same pattern again. We have the Asian range, we have a breakout in the opposite direction, we have a pattern. As you can see, there is an M formation right here. There was GBP news release at this time, so I waited after the news for a strong confirmation and I entered right on this candle. I had also looked for the correlation on the other JPY pairs, so they were all on a downtrend. So this is confirmed for me that the JPY is strong and the pound is very weak, because we had the GBP USD falling very hard and all pound pairs were falling. So you have to, this is key for being accurate and for your win rate. You have to check for correlation in every trade you take. It's preferably you need a strong currency against a weak currency, and this is this perfect case. We had the JPY very strong and we had the pound very weak, so it was perfect. It meets all the criteria. Okay, we have a pattern, we have correlation, we have the big confirmation. It's just take it. You can bet your house on it. I'm just kidding, guys. Risk management is important. Okay, even if you are an experienced trader, you have to stick with risk management rules and in order to stay long in this game. Okay, don't ever risk like all your money in one trade. So from my entry, price went over like 100. I didn't count, so let's see how many pips from the entry all the way down. 288 pips, man. Come on, that was in a Friday. Okay, but that was big. That was a big fall. So for the people that love to hold longer on their trades, for the people that want to be millionaires, you can hold. You can definitely hold on these trades. Just trade your stops along the way, and when you see like market fell down this big, trade your stops past break even and take some profits, lock in some profits. Okay, you can't go broke locking in profits. Lock in your profits and bring your stops down, and then hold until you see like market reversal like this, until you see a pattern. This is a W formation, so you can see that, you can feel that the market is reversing. So you can close on this candle, on this one, and you take 100 and 230 pips in one day, man. That would be a lot. If you entered with 10 lots, that would be over 20 grand in one day. Now you do the math. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I want you to smash the like button right now, and don't forget to subscribe. Also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I post daily Forex articles. Really great stuff out there. I'm sharing all my knowledge with you guys. So thank you very much. Until next time, good luck and good trading. This is FX 220.
Yeah.